Serежа.
Sergey.
Mike. Mike. Oh.
Mike, you've just seen your spacecraft ready to fly. What's your feeling like?
Oh, it's fantastic to see it at this point. It's all packed up, ready to go. It's kind of like a pilot on his last walk around of the airplane before he takes off. This is happening 5 days before the launch, but it's still pretty neat to see it in its final configuration. Hey everyone. That's a rocket.
Okay, so should we sign it here? Yes, pick a spot. Looks like all the spots are taken. So here's the very first signature of one brave individual.
The prime one. So does it differ in any way?
Well, of course it's different because you realize that in 5 days you're going to be actually calling on the rocket and getting ready to launch into space. So there's certainly a bit of a different emotion here, but it's the same tradition in the sense that we got to, after the second FIC check, come back, visit the museum here. A lot of history here, a lot of great stories, and so it's just wonderful to be a part of.